Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor and also head coach of the 5+1 Mastery Coaching Program from Master Networks. We have a session coming out to Master Networks Missouri region. This is going to be on Tuesday, January 31st, and it is open to Master Network members and guests. If you are a business owner, we want you there. And this is a session that's going to change your business for the better. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, bring your phones, whatever you want to work on. It's going to be a hands-on workshop in the morning session from 9 to noon on how to become Google great. We're going to show you some amazing techniques with Google that are going to change your business right there in the workshop. Then we'll take our lunch break for 30 minutes. We'll come back at 12:30, and we're going to do 7 ways to grow your business. The record for this session, I had a father and son team add 1.4 million back to their bottom line in about 4 months. So this is a day-long workshop that you do not want to miss. All you have to do is register below to see us on site in St. Louis, in the Missouri region for Master Networks, or if you can't make it on site, you can join us via Zoom. We want you there. We want you to improve your business for 2023, and we're going to pour everything into it that we possibly can. So I'm going to see you guys on Tuesday, January 31st in St. Louis. Thanks.